Hey guys, let me share my Bhabhi's pizza recipe today. So she makes this instant pizza sauce which has tomato ketchup, Szechuan chutney, not sauce but chutney, eggless mayonnaise, Italian herb mix and butter, and pizza sauce is ready. Just roast store-bought pizza bread in butter, apply this pizza sauce, add vegetables of your choice. She has added capsicum, sweet corn, tomatoes and onions. Add shredded mozzarella on top and bake it till the cheese melts, and this tastes amazing. Like, I have tried it so good that we ate this 3 days in a stretch for dinner, so it's must try. I will share peanut salad and peri peri frankie recipe tomorrow, and bye for now.